how to find the forgotten Wi-Fi password on the iPhone 14 series running iOS 16. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi network that you are connecting to. Then in here, you can see there is a text field called password. Now tap on that. And after that, you need to put in your phone screen password or passcode. So put in the passcode and you should be able to view the password. So as soon as I put in this passcode right here, you can see it will show the Wi-Fi password. And that's it. That is how you can view the forgotten Wi-Fi password on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.